Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we're going to play with some clay and resin and we're going to create this adorable strawberry patch, and this is actually a two-part video, so make sure you catch the second part. These molds I got from Walmart. They were in the section with all of the kitchen stuff. They're actually ice cube molds and they are rubber silicone, so they are perfect for the clay strawberries and tulips that we are doing. The air dry clay did come from the kids craft section in Walmart, and you can grab that, or there are lots of other clays, and I did link an Amazon one for you. So all we're doing right now is putting a little bit of clay to where it is completely full into our molds, and then we're gonna let them dry. This took a few days to dry, so just make sure you are planning when you are doing a project like this that it does take a while to dry. Once your pieces are completely dry, we're gonna go ahead and pop them out. It's super easy to come out because they are silicone. And I'm doing my strawberries a pink color. You're gonna be able to see the strawberries are two different pink colors. The first one was called Pink Eraser from Apple Barrel that I got at Walmart. And then I just added a little bit of red to it to make the darker pink color. Then we're using a little bit of a lime green color to paint the stems. To do the strawberry seeds, we are putting a little bit of Mod Podge in each of the crevices where the seeds go, and then we're adding a little bit of yellow glitter. Now for the fun resin part. I did have some Scrabble tiles that I'm actually putting underneath each of the pieces just to lift it up off the table a little bit more, because you don't want it laying on your table because they will stick to it. You're going to want to mix your resin according to the package directions, and they do vary by brand. So follow the directions on the package to get your resin mixed up. And then I'm actually just using a craft stick, and I am drizzling the resin over the top and then making sure that we get all of the edges of all of our pieces. Your resin is going to take about 24 to 48 hours to dry, and so go ahead and just let it sit. Don't mess with it until it's completely dry, and then pop over and watch the second video linked in the comments, and you're going to watch this adorable strawberry patch come together.